Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the O'Hara de Fleur store, which specializes in preserved roses. They have plenty of colors, styles, and different selections to choose from, including orange, pink, purple, red, and more, so check it out. But today we're going to focus on the 4-pack of pink roses in a black box. It has the Amazon's Choice Award, about 213 ratings with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars. Very nice. It's also available with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping. And this box is about 6 inches high by 4 inches wide and 4 inches deep. And these are real preserved roses, selected only from the choicest blooms. These handcrafted flower decorations come in a variety of styles and colors, and they do make a perfect gift. And unlike some roses, these actually do have a natural scent and can last a year or longer with proper care. These farm-fresh flowers are carefully preserved to retain their beauty, making them an ideal centerpiece or decorative display to enhance any space. There's no need to water or add sunlight to these natural, non-toxic preserved flowers, which means you don't need to be a pro green thumb. And each real rose comes in a single bouquet arrangement in a premium gift box. It's perfect for celebrating anniversaries, birthdays, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, wedding, marriage proposals, baby showers, you name it. Now let me share with you a helpful review from a verified purchaser who bought red in a white box. I bought these flowers for my wife. She loved them. They're so beautiful. Roses are her favorite flower, and I wanted to get her preserved ones that lasted for a while. Upon opening the box, I found them in pristine condition. The smell of fresh roses is so intense. I'm amazed these can be maintained in this condition for months. The vendor has included a nice card with instructions on how to maintain them, no water or sunlight, and they come in a beautiful box. We'll definitely buy more in the future. They make such a nice gift. Highly recommended. So there you go, check out O'Hara de Fleur, roses that last a year or more. You can order the pink 4-pack in a black box or make your own selection on the O'Hara de Fleur store. I think you're gonna love them.